What's going on, Rejuvenation? I'm Jordan, and although I'm back from the dead, these shoes are still very much not alive. So we are going to be taking care of these Mummy SB Dunks using our Rejuvenator Signature Kit paired with the sneaker laundry pods to get the results that we're looking for. So without further ado, let's get into this cleaning. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to be cleaning up these Mummy SB Dunks using our Signature Kit, but we did need a couple other products to get this all set up. So now that our cleaning station is set up with the cleaning mat, the drying rack and bowl combo, and everything else that we need, we're going to be setting this left shoe aside for before and after purposes. The first step will be to remove these laces, and then we will be inserting our adjustable shoe tree. Now these do adjust to a size 13, but for these, they're only a size 8.5, so it'll be about the 5th or the 6th hole. So let's get these laces out. Now the shoe tree is inserted. For this material on this sneaker, since it's canvas, there won't be a lot of creasing, but the shoe tree will help allow me to put as much pressure onto the toe box to get deep into this canvas material, and it'll also help hold the shape of the sneaker when we throw it in the washing machine. Next step, just adding 2 squirts of our solution to our bowl of water. Now that the solution is in that bowl of water, we're going to be hitting the entire uppers using our soft bristle brush. It is the softest brush of our 3-pack, but it does work great because it breaks down all of that surface dirt, it creates the most suds, and it is going to work great on this delicate material of this suede on the swoosh and this textured canvas. Now I don't know exactly how much of these stains are going to be stuck in this canvas, and since it is this frayed material, I think the soft brush will be the best option on this to prevent more fraying. So let's get scrubbing. Pat down this sneaker using our microfiber towel, but as I mentioned, this shoe is like a sponge, so a lot of the water is absorbed into the material, so it is still super wet. I'm not going to waste any more time trying to dry it, so I'm just going to be moving on to our medium bristle brush, and we will be hitting this entire midsole and then some of the deeper staining that's in this canvas, and finally the sock liner and the tongue to get rid of some of that dinginess. But there are a couple deeper stains on the sneaker that we will be getting out with our medium brush, but for the most part, I would say that the soft bristle brush definitely worked. I am all done with our medium brush. Now the benefit of the medium brush is that it's a little bit stiffer than the soft brush, so it breaks down the dirt on the midsole, but it is still mellow enough that you can use it on canvas or knit materials without damaging the material or causing any sort of snags. Now that the sneaker is all wiped off, we will be moving to our stiff bristle brush to hit the outsole. It's the stiffest of the brushes. We don't recommend using it on the softer materials like canvas, suede, leather, knit, really anything except for the rubber outsoles. So let's get into it. We went ahead and used the stiff bristle brush on the outsole of the sneaker. Now the bottom of your shoes will always be the dirtiest. Obviously they're what you walk on. And I hear all the time, why would I clean the outsole of my sneaker? Well, why wouldn't you clean the entire sneaker? But we got that stiff bristle brush to break down most of the dirt and grime. There's a little bit, which that's to be expected on a clear bottom sneaker, but a lot of it will be flushed out in the washing machine, as I mentioned. So we're just wrapping up this pre-treatment. We're going to be taking care of the laces and throwing them in our sneaker laundry bag, and then we will put them in the washing machine and we'll see the results pretty soon. So typically we take care of our laces by rubbing them through our hands and then squeezing out the excess water. But since SB laces are super thick and they're a cream color, there's still a couple deeper stains. So we're going to be using a different method by using our soft bristle brush and solution to just scrub these. We went ahead and did the two different methods to get the laces clean. So now we're just going to be running them through the microfiber towel to get them dry, which is my favorite method, and then we will be adding them into our little pocket of the sneaker laundry bag. And the sneaker. And we did leave the shoe tree in the sneaker. As I mentioned earlier, it'll be great to help hold the shape of the sneaker throughout the laundry system. The shoe and the laces are in the laundry bag. The laundry bag is perfect for cleaning your sneaker because it keeps your sneaker protected within the washing machine, but it also helps scrub your sneakers with every spin of that washing machine. So the last step will be adding our sneaker laundry pods to the same little pocket that we put the laces in. So now that the shoe is in the bag and the laundry pod is inserted into its little pocket, it's time to lock down the bag to make sure that the sneaker is nice and tight in here. So we're just going to be pulling this down as far as we can and then pushing this little circle straight down, and it'll lock the sneaker bag in place. And just like that, we're ready for the washing machine. We're going to be washing this sneaker on normal cycle with cold water, and I'll see you guys again in a couple hours. All right, I'm back. We went ahead and got this shoe out of the washing machine and let it dry over the weekend, and these results are looking great. This shoe is definitely back from the dead. But the only thing that we did notice that we still need to take care of is this swoosh, which is made of a suede material, is looking pretty crunchy, and we don't like crunchy suede. So we're going to be resetting the nap on this swoosh using our dry suede kit, and we'll get this shoe back to pristine condition. Now that's some buttery suede. I am all done using the eraser on this suede, so to finish off resetting the nap, I'm just going to be using our suede brush. I'm going to move it in a couple different directions to get that buttery texture back, but we should be all wrapped up on this cleaning very soon. Now that the sneaker is looking back to its original state, looks just like it did when I got it out of the box to rock these sneakers prior to this cleaning, let's talk about it. Now my favorite part of this sneaker has to be the midsole and the outsole. Pretty basic, but the glow in the dark is just on point. And then these eyes, when they glow, they just look super creepy. But overall, this shoe is just awesome. Quality's great, materials are great, and it's dropping in price. So if you want a Mummy SB Dunk for Halloween, head over and buy one right now. But to wrap up this cleaning, we gotta lace these sneakers, and I gotta get back to work. All right, now that the shoe is all laced up, let's take a look at this before and after. Overall, these sneakers cleaned up really well, super easy to clean, and just to recap, we achieved these results using our Reshoevn8r signature kit paired with our laundry pods, and then we finished it off by resetting the nap using our dry suede kit. If you're looking to achieve these results, use the link in the description to save 10% off the entire Reshoevn8r product lineup. And if you liked today's video, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon in the next Shoe Care Academy video.